Good afternoon, evening, or morning. I'm the Mainly Digger, and I'm at KVCC, Kennebec Valley Community College, where I go to college and am a security guard. In this video, I'm flying my drone and taking a couple of pictures of, there's some statues and a garden. And one of them's a metal statue, it's interesting, and the other one's just a regular stone statue. There we go, it's a stone statue. So I just wanted to get the picture and a couple other things in it. Also, the main purpose for taking this video is I got an iPad donated to me for using for drones in general, just in general. I got an iPad, a large iPad, a tablet, donated to me, and I'm using it solely to use on my drones, for flying a drone and taking pictures and stuff like that. So a little bit different than using my phone. I almost prefer using my phone just because it's lighter, but because it is my phone and I have multiple purposes which I use my phone for, it is better to have an iPad than to use my phone. So it's like, you can see, like, I had to get a strap. I had to dig out a strap to hold this because it's so much heavier. Either way, it is an awesome donation, and I will put it to good use. Mainly Dig out. So I have gotten a new tablet, iPad, and it was donated to me, and I'm going to use it for my drone. And I'm kind of getting used to it. Like, I'm used to using my phone, which I'm recording on my phone right now, so it's going to take some getting used to. So I am going to, there's an archway I've been waiting to do for a long time. I just haven't gotten to it yet. So that's what I'm going to do.